And then maybe dive into a little bit more about what makes her unique. I mean, you've told us some points, but if you can think of other things that you feel are unique about her, that would be the next.
Well, primarily it would be the age. I know that here in Ketchikan, there's maybe 5 or 6 boats that are older.
Yeah.
But they're not in this kind of shape.
Right.
I like to brag a little bit because Antonio warned me about this when I bought it. You know, when he listed it, he and I had this conversation. He said, I wanted the same thing like what Tyler, you know, he's like, with the new owner, it has to be the right owner. I don't want to just give it to some schmuck that's going to destroy it.
Yeah.
He said, I wanted somebody that loved the boat and would take care of it. Because if you take care of it, it'll last a lifetime.
Yeah.
And it already has. Yeah. So the age is probably what makes it very unique, but also the fact that it's so narrow. It has a very narrow beam, and anybody that steps on board notices. Many people go, whoa, 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 like they almost panic. Yeah. Because it tilts.
Yeah.
And I believe they built them like that. It's very seaworthy. It's very tilty. But Tyler actually told me, I talked to him a couple of times, it's when he rebuilt it, he put a extra heavy duty keel. He said, if that boat were to ever flip over, even with the poles on it, he goes, it'll right itself. So they built them like that. And I've had people on here before when I've been steering it, they're like, wow, this thing turns on a dime.
Yeah.
Which is also extra special when you consider it's a chain drive.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, this is not hydraulics. It's got, you can see how that sprocket is an old-timey sprocket. Yeah. And it goes all the way back to the prop. It's got a worm drive on the rudder and stuff.
Yeah.
So it being chain drive out in the Gulf and the slop, a lot of people look at me and like, that's insane, dude. Why don't you, you need to put hydraulics. I'm like, nah, we'll just do chain. I'm good.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a narrow boat, that fantail stern, a lot of people comment on. And then there's just a mystique. As I said, it talked to Tyler.
Yeah.
It talked to me.
Yeah.
And there's just, it talks to just about anybody that sees the boat.
Yeah.